Hello everyone, welcome to Bytes Vibe YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you guys how we can create webmail from cPanel. This is really a easy step. To do this, first we need to log into our cPanel, then we will find a section called email. You can search through your cPanel to find this section. In email section, we will find another section called email accounts. We will click here. Here you can see there are already two webmails that I have already created. To create a new webmail, we need to click on create. Here we need to select our domain if we are using more than one domain. As I'm gonna create my webmail on my default domain, so I will just let it stay as default. Then we will find another option called username. We will we need to input the username of our email. Like if you want to create this webmail for support purpose, you can write support, or if you want it as admin for admins to use, you can write it as admin or anything you want. I will just go with support. So our webmail will be like support at the rate our domain. Okay, we just need to write our prefix, no need to write our suffix or domain. After that, we need to set our password. We can generate a strong password by clicking here. It generated a strong password. We can copy it and save it elsewhere so that we can use it later. After that, we can click on optional setting, and here we can give a storage to this specific webmail. We can increase or decrease it or write it as, like if I want to give this webmail 100 MB, then I just need to write 100. Or you can select unlimited if you want to give this webmail to access your cPanel full storage. So I will just give it 1 GB. So I will write 1024. We can just let it stay as it is, and we don't need to really do any changes here. So I will just reset the settings, and I will then click on this create button. I will save the password. Now if we want to send mails from this webmail, we will click on check email. Here we will click on open. Now we will find every options like we use in Gmail. We can send messages, check messages, and everything from here. So if I want to send a message, I will just click on this pen icon. Then I will just input one of my email for check purposes. So I'll just input an email address. Then I will just select a subject like mm, test. Then I will click on send. So the message was sent successfully. We can check it from sent section. Here we have already sent this mail. Now if I go to my email Gmail, I will just check spam, and here you can see our mail was received successfully. So this is how we can create a webmail from cPanel and send messages to our customers or anyone we want. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe and comment if you are facing any problem. Thank you everyone for watching this video.